Okay, my friends, we're back today with another video. Doing a lot of things you've already seen me do before. There's videos on how to replace an evaporator and compressors and things like that. But I just wanted to go over a few things for you guys and gals that work on these things. One of the things I want to point out is you can see all the yellow. The white plastic has turned yellow. It's an eyesore. But it's a good refrigerator. The cabinet's still good. The compressors are good. So we're going to show you how to get that yellow out and white. Now I did a test. On this white plastic piece right here that was all yellowed, very similar to what was in the refrigerator. And I used this shampoo. It's got 40% hydrogen peroxide in it. And I put it in this little plastic bag and I turned on this ultraviolet light right here overnight and it got it white. So we know the technique works. We just have to figure out how we're going to wrap this up. Now, we can put the shampoo, rub it on, and put a piece of cellophane or saran wrap over it, let it sit out overnight, and then use the ultraviolet light. However, I don't have an ultraviolet light long enough to do a whole section. I might have to get something like that. So for now, I'm going to leave this and concentrate just on this piece up here because this is where your eyes are focused most of the time. But one of the more important facts I wanted to point out was that this refrigerator, and I'll show you here, these compressors have been removed to get it into the building. Okay, you see these little white markings here with numbers on it. There's another one over here. The other ones I came off when I washed it down. I just brought it inside. I just washed it down. So we know that these compressors were taken off. And look at this, really, it's not really a neat joint. You could have just swaged out the 3/16 and made a little nice joint there instead of putting this contraption in there. I see that both filter dryers were replaced, but that's a good thing. But another thing I want to point out, as long as we're here, there's one bolt holding this compressor in. Now, obviously, these things aren't moved around all the time, and they're just sitting there, and that's okay. But that's not the way it was designed. It was designed to be held in with 4 bolts. Most of these parts look original. This refrigerator is 1999. This thing is loose. They missing screws holding the the condenser in place. So a couple of things I just wanted to point out, just carelessness, basically. Okay, so we're going to do our thing with this refrigerator because I like having a refrigerator around for people that if they can't afford to go out and buy a new one, sometimes this will hold them off for a while and we can help them out. It's not something we do every day, it's just something we do once in a while, but there's a need for refurbished expensive refrigerators like this, Vikings and Sub-Zeros. Okay, so that's it. If anything else comes up that I find unusual, I will get back to you and let you know. But in the meantime, we're going to do whatever we can to make this refrigerator presentable and clean it up and put it back together and test it, of course, and do whatever we need to do. Okay, so you can go to our channel and flip through the videos. We have a video that shows us taking this particular refrigerator out of a Park Avenue apartment about a month or so ago. I'll try to leave a link at the bottom so you can watch it. And you'll see that we got this refrigerator out of the apartment and out of the building without taking the compressors off. So all that work was done for nothing. It's just, you just need a little creativity to get the job done. So that's what we did. And you can be the judge of that. Thanks for watching.